Let's continue. Strengths. Handles large data efficiently. Versatile. And there is also what we call is visual representation. Limitation. Requires basic formula knowledge. May produce errors if data is improperly formatted. Use of Jamovi. Jamovi is a free, user-friendly statistical software designed for students and researchers. It provides point-and-click menus for computing the mean, the median, standard deviation, variance, and more advanced statistical tools. Results are automatically tabulated and interpreted in professional formats. Strengths: easy to learn, suitable for beginners, produces professional reports. Limitation: needs installation, less customizable compared to Excel. Use of GeoGebra. GeoGebra, often associated with geometry and algebra, has strong statistical tools for creating histograms, box plots, and scatter plots. It also shows the calculation of the mean, the median, and the mode, variance, and standard deviation. Strength: excellent for visual learning, interactive exploration of data. Limitation: requires internet access or installation, not as efficient for very large data sets. Integration in learning. When learners use these tools, A. They reduce human error in calculations. B. They save time, especially for large or complex data sets. Letter C. They can focus more on interpreting results rather than spending too much time computing manually. For example, a class survey on daily study hours can be analyzed using Excel to compute the mean, study hours, and standard deviation. From this, learners can interpret whether most students study around the same amount or if there is a wide variation. B. Using Jamovi, learners can quickly generate a box plot to interpret the distribution of scores in an exam. Key takeaways: the integration of technologies such as calculators, Excel, Jamovi, and GeoGebra empowers learners to calculate and interpret statistical measures more efficiently. It not only enhances accuracy, but also develops higher order thinking skills as learners focus on drawing insights and decision from data. In the study of statistics, measures of central tendency and measures of variability are essential tools for summarizing and understanding data sets. Traditionally, students perform these computations manually, while manual computation develops foundational skills. Modern learning emphasizes the use of technological tools such as calculators, Excel, Jamovi, and GeoGebra to improve efficiency, accuracy, and practical application. Why use technology? Accuracy reduces human error in long calculations. Efficiency saves time, especially with large data sets. Visualization. Some tools provide graphs and charts that help in interpreting results. Real world relevance. Professionals in engineering, business, and research rely on technology based statistical analysis. Technological tools and their functions. Calculator used for quick computations of the mean, median, and standard deviation on small data sets. In Excel, provides built-in functions such as equal average and equal median, equal mode that single, equal var that s function, and equal standard depth that s function can also generate data tables and charts. Jamovi, a free and user-friendly statistical software that can quickly compute descriptive statistics, including all measures of central tendency and variability, along with visual summaries. GeoGebra, primarily known for mathematics visualization, but it also supports statistical calculations and graphical interpretation. Step-by-step example using Excel. So suppose the data set is 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. So the mean, use equal average from A1 to A5. The result is 8.6. In our cell A1, the content is 5. And then in our cell A5, the content is 12. So the data sets really are 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. And then median use equal median A1 to A5. The result is 9. So the mode, use equal mode that SNGL, and then our arguments are R1, A1 to A5. The contents of these cells A1 to A5 are 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. So there is no mode and then returns error if no repeating values. So variance, use equal var.s from A1 to A5. The result is 6.8. For standard deviation, use equal standard depth.s, and our arguments are A1 to A5. So the result is 2.61. Interpretation of the results. The mean 8.6 indicates the average performance or value in the dataset. The median 9 shows that half the values are below and half are above 9, which is close to the mean. And then half suggesting a balanced distribution. The standard deviation 2.61 suggests that values are moderately spread out from the mean. Importance in real-life applications. In education, teachers use averages and variability to analyze student performance. Business. Companies compute average sales and analyze variability to predict trends. In science and engineering, researchers calculate variance and standard deviation to measure data reliability. Key takeaways: by mastering both manual and technology-based computations, learners gain flexibility in statistical problem solving using tools like calculators, Excel, Jamovi, and GeoGebra. Not only speeds up computation, but also enhances data interpretation, preparing learners for both academic tasks and real-world applications. Here's where you can download Janobi, a free and open source statistical software. The official download page offers installation files for the various platforms, Windows and Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, including both the latest version and a stable, solid release. How to get Jamobi? Visit the official download page on Jamobi Pay website. Choose the suitable installer for your operating system. So Windows options like current or solid versions. And then how to get Jamobi. So go to Jamobi website. So you need to download the installer and run the exe installer, and then that's it. You can then have your Jamobi. So, quick summary table. So, how to download and install for Windows. Download that .exe from Jamobi site and run it. Okay, so these are the quick summary table. Practice problems using Excel, interpreting measures of central tendency and variability in datasets. Problem number 1. The following data represents the number of books and read by 10 students over the summer. 3, 7, 5, 10, 6, 4, 8, 12, 5, 9. Compute the mean, the median, and the mode. Find the range, variance, and standard deviation. So we're given those 10 values, and then use the different formula for the mean as presented in our uh, slide. So the final answer, the mean is 6.9, the median is 6.5, mode 5, range 9, variance 7.29, SD 2.79. Well, it means that you need to place 3 in our cell A1 up to cell A18 at A10. All these values, 3, 7, 5, 10, 6, 4. Ayan. And then, go to a one cell, and then right here, equal average, and then you need to point out the values of A1 to A10. And then close parenthesis, you will have this answer for the mean and together with the other values. We will have the next part of this lesson.